I go think, press a like, press a share, press a follow. Yo, you don't know say me have a problem with it. A returning resident them, but not the returning, not regular returning resident them, you know. The one them may come from England. The one them they are Britain. What the fuck do you know, brother and sister? Why not so cantankerous? Yo, them returning resident there, me no know. Them give most trouble a yard, you know, brother. Them give people the most trouble, you know. If somebody hear somebody a complain about a little old person, ask them if they are England, and chances are them are gonna say yes. Or where the freak them are going over England why they so cantankerous and troublesome and annoying and easily agitated and just me no know, no just give problem. What them are feeding over there? And talk to me, man. Talk to me. Yo, people, tell me what go on in the comments. Ask them what do them. Why them have to behave so? Because something must obviously wrong with them.